10-hour breaks. 10-hour break. Where you getting a 10-hour break from? Not in them foreign companies in Chicago. You ain't getting no 10-hour break in them foreigners in Chicago, man. You hear me? How many drivers gonna have to tell you what them Chicago companies on before you really get it in your head? Bruh, them foreigners ain't here to play. Man, they gonna run that truck. If you ain't even trying to run that truck 700 to 800 miles minimum a day, don't even want you most of the time, man. 10-hour break where? You think you about to be at the truck stop getting you some rest, getting you a little 10? Ain't none of that. Them wheels ain't moving. Hey, they gonna get you up out of there. I get you a little nappy nap or something. Lease purchase. Let me just hop on lease purchase just a little bit. Stop trying to get into these lease purchase with these Chicago companies, man. Them Chicago companies, lease purchase ain't nothing but straight up scam. You think you about to get 88% of what load? Huh? They tell you that, but take out your escrow, take out your fuel, take out your tolls, your tax, all that stuff, man. By the time all that come out, you might clear $700 to $800. Might. I heard some people saying $400 or $500, man. Them people is straight robbing down out there in Chicago, man. Chicago companies ain't here to play with you, bro. And they don't care nothing about you. Orientation. One day orientation should let you know something. They gonna put you on that plane. One day orientation. Bow, you out of there. Straight to California. Straight to California. Stop playing with them. I keep hearing people coming up with these stories about what these Chicago companies. Y'all know how many people that made videos about these Chicago companies. Y'all know what go on out there. Yeah, ain't no 10-hour break. When you finish that 11-hour drive, pull over to the side real quick. Let me get you some more time. Let me get you some more time. It's time to keep driving. It's just starting. What you talking about? You tired? Ain't no sleep. Team no sleep. Chicago companies cutthroat, man. Hey, look, let me tell you something, man. If you ain't got tough skin, stay away from Chicago. Huh? If that DOT get behind you and that DOT pull you in that bay and you ain't got your shit together, yeah, you going home. And guess what? Them Chicago companies gonna turn it back on you. Then you're gonna be out there on your own trying to figure it out. Trying to figure out what next company can you go to. Because time you get in an accident or got too many points on your driver license, they don't want you now. Now they throwing you Western Express. You can go over there. We don't want you no more. We done got everything out of you. We done got everything out of you. We don't need you no more. So protect your CDL, man. Protect your CDL, because can't nobody protect your CDL better than you. Because these Chicago companies ain't gonna help you protect your CDL. They're gonna get everything they can get out of you, and then once you mess up your CDL, then they ain't gonna hire you. So now you in a situation where don't nobody want to touch you because you done mess your CDL up with these people that don't even care nothing about you. Stay safe out there on that road, man, and watch what company you're dealing with, because all these companies ain't for you. A lot of these companies are cutthroat out here in this industry, man. It's a cutthroat industry. So you're trying to get into trucking? No, it's a cutthroat industry. Huh? When you lead them Primes, them CR Englands, them Swifts, that's them companies that, you know what I'm saying, give you the little safety net, you know. But once you graduate from them companies, you trying to get to the bag a little more, ain't no safety net, man. You out here with the wolves. You hear me? So yeah, man, make sure you protect your CDL, because can't nobody protect your CDL better than you, man. Thank you for watching this video. This ain't a negative video. This just a video that's keeping it real. Make sure y'all share, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, man. It's your boy Taylor. What up, though? Hey.